This is the NYX 12-day lipstick calendar. If you want to see what's inside, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. Today I thought we would look at the NYX Diamond and Ice. This is the lipstick 12-day calendar. We have all the goodies inside. Just before I start opening this, I am running a giveaway. I will leave the video link down below. If you haven't already entered, then please have a look and enter. And also, if you like these kind of videos, I would really appreciate if you consider subscribing to my channel. We do all kinds of videos on here, everything from fashion to subscription boxes. We do beauty. We now do advent calendars. So if that appeals to you, please don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Okie dokie, let's get into this. I'm so excited for this. If you haven't already seen my unboxing of the 24-day NYX advent calendar, please take a look at that. It was really good. That was for £50. Quite a lot of lipsticks in there, so I'm hoping these are going to be slightly different, but it doesn't matter if I've got doubles. I'm sure I'll find use for them somewhere. Oh yeah, definitely. And then I decided to go ahead and try this. This is £30 and this has 12 lip products in it. So let's get started. I'm not going to hold it up every time I open the door. I'm sure you kind of know what I'm doing. So the first product, indoor number 1. This is a lip oil. And I think I got this in the 24-day one. It's very cute. Very nice. Okie dokie. Then we have door number 2. This looks like another lip oil. Yes, it is. It's here. It's a nice blue colour. That's quite iridescent, and I think we got this as well. So this is a repeat of the previous one, and this is in the colour shade Sheer Lavender. And number 3. We have a liquid lipstick. Nice colour. I like that colour a lot. It's lovely. Very pretty. And what I'm going to do is do another video, and I'm going to try on all these lipsticks so you can see how they actually look on the lips. Hence why I'm not doing any swatches. And to let you know, that colour shade is called Tea and Cookies. How cute. Okie dokie. Door number 4 is my favourite colour forever. Love red lipstick. Love red lipstick. Very nice colour. This again is a liquid lipstick. Look at that red. Beautiful. And the colour of this one is Kitten Wheels. Okay, door number 5. We have another liquid lipsticks. I mean, these are great just to try out. I mean, they're a fair size, really. And then obviously, if you really like it, you can go ahead and buy the bigger size. Again, very pretty, sort of autumny colours, which, you know, we all like. So door number 5's lipstick is called, I think it says Sad Polo. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Apologies if I'm not. Another liquid lipstick. Again, I like this colour shade. It's gorgeous. And these are quite Christmassy colours as well. Beautiful. And the colour shade on this one is Rome. Door number 7. Oh, we've got an actual lipstick, a bullet lipstick. And that's the packaging. So very cute. Great. And the colour here, it's a very nice nude pinky colour. Very pretty, like that. And this colour is Natural. And door number 8, we have another bullet lipstick. Oh, we got another red, beautiful. Look at that, guys. Nice colours for Christmas for sure. And the colour is Perfect Red, makes sense. Perfectly named. Door number 9, we have another lipstick, and this is in the colour shade Whipped Caviar. So definitely got this yesterday because I like it. Pretty. Okay, door number 10. We have Butter Gloss. Now I do own a couple of these. I didn't actually think I owned any NYX products, but when I saw these, it jogged my memory, and I do actually own a couple of these, and I do like the formula. It's very nice. Not too sticky. And it's decently pigmented as well. And the colour shade in this is Tiramisu. Perfect. Door number 11. Oh, I got through these quickly. This is another liquid lip. Colour in this I can't actually see, but there it is there. Very pretty. Okay, and door number 12, we have another Butter Gloss. This is in the colour shade Praline. Very pretty. Love this one. Such a nice colour. Okay, my lovelies, that is the whole of the NYX calendar. We have had a look at it, and I will do a video. I'm going to try all these on so you get a better look at what they actually look like on the lips rather than sitting here swatching them all. Let's put them on the lips. Okay, so I don't know if I mentioned, but this was £30 off. Looked fantastic. I got mine. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. I'll leave the link down below. Like these kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I will talk to you in the next video. Please take care of yourselves and each other, and bye for now. Bye. Mwah. Bye.